Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. So I am in my car, as you can see, and I just bought this from the Swatch store. But here's the issue. When I went into the store, I was expecting this to be a men's watch. So as it turns out, it's a unisex watch. So it's not really a women's watch or a men's watch, but it's kind of in the middle. So it's not tiny like a woman's watch, but it's not big like a men's watch. It's sort of in the middle. So I don't have a big issue with that, but the strap is a little tight for me. So I am going to return it. I'm going to try to return it because I just bought it. And we're going to find out how hard that is to do a return. So it's not really going to be a review on the watch, but rather on the service if you need to return something. We're going to see if it's hard or easy. So before I return it though, I do want to check this out. So this is it. So it's not much to say about it. It's just a really nice watch, as you can see. So anyway, let's go to the store and let's see how pleasant or unpleasant it is to return a Swatch at the Swatch store. Hello. I wanted to see if I can make an exchange for this because I bought this a while ago, but I find that the strap is too small for me. Okay folks, so I have successfully returned the watch and I bought this one instead. So everything went well, so I'm very happy with their service. So I absolutely can recommend Swatch, not just for the watches, but for their service. So they were happy to take it back, so I can say that was a success. And a word of advice, if you are going to buy a watch for a man, just go for the man size. Don't do the unisex. It doesn't work out. In any case, thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.